Let me show you everything you need to know about the memory cards on your body camera. So first things first, in these body cameras you actually have to use the tiniest micro SD memory cards. Also, when it comes to speeds, I suggest you to actually look at the speed of your memory card. So for example, over here I have the U3. So if you see U1, it might also be a bit too slow for some body cameras essentially. Also, you might see V30 ratings. Well, that also is good. So again, make sure it is that ratings at least. So on this body camera over here, I have a slot over here for the memory card. When it comes to storage, you should choose, I think definitely you should get at least 64 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, basically if you actually want like record like any decent amount of time. So see, we can simply insert and simply click it inside. So take your fingernail and basically hear a tiny click. So you see it's actually staying inside. Then also we actually need to format this memory card well properly so these cameras can actually use them properly. So let's turn on the camera by pressing this button over here. Okay. So some memory cards, basically when you insert them, might work okay, but again, I suggest you to actually format them. So you see in this 64 gigabyte version, we can like record a bit over 6 hours, yeah, which is very useful. So to access settings, we are simply going to press and hold this. Okay, then we are going to use these buttons over here to cycle over here to the format. So select this OK. Yep, and OK. So it will format the memory card essentially now, and that's done. So we can return basically to the screen and we can start recording videos on this body camera. So you see literally a bit over 6 hours. And if you basically want to take out the footage again, so you simply have to take out the memory card. So, and if you maybe have like a micro SD memory card slot on your laptop, you can insert directly, or also you can simply use one of these adapters, so that connects either to a PC or also a phone. So yep, basically we can also directly even like upload the footage basically on our phone as well. So if you get adapter like this, if you need this in the AliExpress, these cost like literally like $1. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get them. So essentially when you actually insert the memory card, you can literally already like even connect the phone and upload that, but also of course for PCs as well. And that's about it. Anyway, good luck.